Hi everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to import a curl command in Apache JMeter step by step. If you are working with API and using tools like Postman, browser network requests, you can easily copy the curl command and convert it directly into a JMeter request. This method saves time and helps you avoid manual configuration mistakes. So let's begin. I will explain step by step how you can import the curl in JMeter. So let's begin. This is a real-time scenario for creating a booking. This is method which is post and this is the endpoint. In the body section, you need to enter the customer details, first name, last name, and this is the details which you want to create a booking for this customer. In the header section, you need to enter content type application JSON. Now, I will show you how you can import this curl in JMeter. Click on this code and here you can view this is Postman CLI. If you want to run the post command this in a CLI, suppose you want to run this request by CLI, so you need to enter this command and you can run this request from CLI. Now here option available for copy, click on copy and then open JMeter. Click on Apache JMeter. First open JMeter. After opening this JMeter, I can maximize window. So click on maximize. First, when you open JMeter, you can view here test plan. Now add here thread group. Right click on test plan, add thread users and then click on thread group. Inside this group, you can enter number of threads, ramp up periods and loop count. Now import curl. Click on tools option and then click on import from curl. Here two option available. You can import by file name. You can view here, you can browse a file. Now import curl here. This is postman request and post. We need to make some changes here. So here we will add curl dash dash location and this is a post request dash 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 request and this request is post. As you can view here in the header section, content type application JSON. One option here available, if you mark this checkbox, it will add cookie header to cookie manager. Now, next thing we need to do here, we need to change here in a body section. We will add here data dash raw. We have successfully made changes here in this file. As you can view here in a body section, what we need to define here first name, last name, and this information we need to define here in a data section, and this is a header. This is for header manager. Now just click on create test plan. As you can view here, successfully created HTTP request. Now click on cancel and here you can view you do not need to add HTTP request manually because by import curl you can easily just import your curl here in a JMeter. This is a protocol which is HTTPS. This is endpoint and this is a path. As you can view here, this is a path slash booking. In the header section, content type application JSON. Now in the value section, you can view first name, last name, We can move here this header manager here in a test plan section. This is comments created from cURL and this is the date and time. Now add the listener for view result. Right click here, listener, and then click on view result tree. Now run the test and see what happened. Click on start. It will ask for you, are you sure want to save this test plan before running it? Just click on yes, and here we can write here booking request .jmx. This is the extension of the file, and then click on save. Now request is sending. We are getting some error. As you can view here, response code 418. We need to define here accept application JSON, accept JSON, and just click on save and clear all the result. Again send this request. Now you can view request sent successfully. This is thread 1. Here we enter just thread 1. You can increase the number of users, and here in the request section we can view here post HTTPS protocol, and this is the data we are sending in this request. In the response data we are getting booking ID 1891 and booking create successfully. In the sampler result we can view response message 200. Okay, now you know how to import a cURL command into Apache JMeter quickly and easily. This will help you create API test cases faster and improve your testing workflow. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SQ World for more testing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.